Hi, this is Ron at samahan niyo ako sa aking vlog in a day in my life as a foreign English teacher here in Taiwan. 6:30 nga pala ako gumigising sa umaga. Sa totoo is nagsiselfon pa talaga ako sa umaga, pero syempre di ko na lang isasali dito. Nakasanayan ko na nga pala na pagkatapos kong gumising sa umaga ay maliligo kaagad. Siyempre, konting skincare para hindi naman tayo haggard sa harap ng ating mga estudyante. Skincare reveal ba? Ay wag na, baka sabihin nyo di effective. Ayan, at ready na tayong lumabas. Tara at samahan nyo ako. Dito ako nagtatrabaho as a public school teacher sa countryside ng Taiwan. Nilalakad ko lang ito everyday dahil ito ay may layo lamang na 5 to 7 minute walk away lamang. Madalas ako na dumadaan sa bakanting lote na ito para makatipid sa oras ng paglalakad. At ayan na nga ang aming school director while waiting for the students to come. Ito ang fasad ng aming school building at may mahigit 100 kaming mga mag-aaral dito. Tara at samahan niyo akong mag-tour sa aming school. Upon entrance, you will be greeted by this big screen where our students' accomplishments and activities are displayed. Yung office na kung saan ako nagstay ay nasa 3rd floor, so let's go riding on an elevator. Let's grab this opportunity to take a selfie while riding on an elevator. If not now, when? Char. Ito yung office namin. Ako pa lang nauna dito at kunin lang natin yung susi. Taiwan Ministry of Education do hire English teachers around the world to help Taiwan become bilingual by 2030. Welcome to my classroom. Kanina lang, di ko na video pa, pero bumili ako ng pagkain for my breakfast. Siyempre kukunin ko yung cellphone ko, akala mo naman talaga may nakahandang camera. I usually set up my projector first pag dumating ako. Nakasanayan ko na dito kumakain ng breakfast sa loob ng classroom while waiting for my students. After eating breakfast, I prepare my laptop and make sure that everything is intact. We are tasked to teach 20 classes every week. Bali 40 minutes per class in elementary, 45 minutes per class in junior high school, and 50 minutes per class in senior high school. Sometimes there are different arrangements, but it depends on the school that you are working with. May mga teachers na nagtuturo ng more than 20 classes per week at additional pay na din yun. And the bell had rung already and any moment from now ay pupunta na dito ang mga estudyante ko. And for this class, I only have 4 students. At last, my classes have finished very smoothly. I'll just restore all the equipment and materials that I used for today. I also make sure that all of the electronic devices are unplugged and turned off. Alam mo na, for safety. It's time to go home na. Napansin ko lang ang sunset at napakaganda. On my way to office ay madadaanan itong vending machine where it automatically dispense products like snacks, noodles, or drinks to our students without requiring a cashier. At ayan, wala nang ang tao, siguro umuwi na sila. Our school is a bilingual school, that's why you'll see phrases posted in every step of the stairs. At ito nga napansin ko na may pagkain sa aking table, kaya solve na ang snack. Nag-iiwan nga sila sa table ng kung ano-anong pagkain or minsan milk tea. And I think isa ito sa kanilang gestures of kindness. At 4 PM nga pala ay pinapayagan na kaming umuwi ng aming director. Ang ibang mga bagay na inyong nakikita sa video na ito ay hindi sumasalamin sa lahat ng Filipino English teachers dito sa Taiwan. Take note that every situation is different. Bye-bye.